Android smartphones have different types of reset options that you can use whenever you need to restore things to their factory defaults. Instead of performing a total system reset through a factory reset or master reset, you can use a dedicated reset command to restore specific features and functions individually. In this video, we will show you how to reset the adaptive brightness feature on our Pixel 7. But before we move on, please like, share, and subscribe to our channel to support us. Going back to our topic, here's how you do it. To get started, open the Settings app. In the Settings menu, scroll through the list of items and then tap Apps. Doing so will take you to the Apps menu with recently used apps. Tap See All Apps to continue. More apps will load up on the next display. Scroll to find Device Health Services from the list of apps, then tap on it to continue. The Device Health Services app info screen will load up next. Here, you will find different options relevant to the Device Health Services app. Find Storage and Cache from, then tap on it to proceed. You will be routed straight to the storage menu of the app. To continue, tap Manage Space. Another screen will launch with two main command buttons. To restore default settings for adaptive brightness, tap the Reset Adaptive Brightness button. A pop-up window will appear, asking if you'd like to proceed with the reset. Read and review the warning message, then tap OK to confirm. All recent changes made to the adaptive brightness settings will be deleted, and the factory default settings for adaptive brightness feature are restored. We hope that this guide can help you. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe.